Namaste, pure divine souls. My name is Kevama Krishnaveni. Love is not what you say, love is what you do. The struggle ends when gratitude begins. Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. The trouble is, you think you have time. Pains. PAINS. It means positive attitude in negative situations. Believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who has said it, not even if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your common sense. Happiness is a choice, not a result. Nothing will make you happy until you have choose to be happy. No person will make you happy unless you decide to be happy. Your happiness will not come to you. It can only come from you. It all begins with you. If you do not care for yourself, you will not be strong enough to take care of anything in life. Imagine your mind like a garden and your thoughts are the seeds. You get to choose what seeds you plant in it. You can plant seeds of positivity, love, and abundance, or you can plant seeds of negativity, fear, and lack. You can also spend time trying to take care of everyone else's garden, or you can work on making yours beautiful and attract other beautiful people to your garden. Be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be humble but not shy. Be proud but not arrogant. Never change your originality for the sake of others because no one can play your role better than you. So be yourself. You are the best. When you replace why is this happening to me with what is this trying to teach me, everything shifts. 7 steps to happiness. Number 1. Think less, feel more. Number 2. Frown less, smile more. Number 3. Talk less, listen more. Number 4. Judge less, accept more. Number 5. Watch less, do more. Number 6. Complain less, appreciate more. Number 7. Fear less, love more. What is non attachment? Non attachment is letting go of the thoughts and emotions that create suffering. Once you can stop being so attached to your thoughts, you will experience tremendous relief, inner peace, and pervading sense of joyful well being. Don't believe those who tell you they love you. Believe those who show you they do. Be the same person privately, publicly, and personally. Before getting upset, always ask yourself, will this even matter in next 6 months, in a year, or in 5 years? If the answer is no, just let it go. Miracles start to happen when you give as much energy to your dreams as you do to your fears. Do not live for the expectations of people around you. Live for yourself, for your dreams, for your happiness. Someday everything will make perfect sense. So, for now, laugh at the confusion, smile through the tears, be strong, and keep reminding yourself that everything happens for a reason. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, because when you give your time, you are giving a portion of your life that you will never get back. Theory of life. When flood comes, the fish eat ants, but when water dries, The ants eat fish. Life gives chance to everyone. Just have to wait for our turn. Respect other people's feelings. It might mean nothing to you, but it could mean everything to them. Easy to judge the mistakes of others. Difficult is to recognize our own mistakes. Help us to reach 1 million subscribers goal. Thank you for watching.